Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss the topic ratio and proportion. Yesterday I gave basic concept about ratio and proportion. Today I am going to discuss the questions which UPSC has asked over this particular topic. Okay, see this question. Question number 1. You can pause the video and solve this question, then you can see the solution. The monthly income of two persons, Komal and Asa, are in the ratio. Okay, yesterday I told whenever ratio is giving, then we can say that the monthly income of Komal is 4x and monthly income of Asa is 3x. Their monthly expenses are in ratio. So we can say that the monthly expenses of Komal is 3y and monthly expenses of Asa is 2y. Okay, then saving. So we know that income minus expenditure equal to saving. In this way we can make two equations like 4x minus 3y means income of Komal and expenditure of Komal equal to 600, equation 1, and then the second equation 3x minus 2y equal to 600. These two equations you can solve and you can get the answer. To solving this equation is very easy. We can just make these two values common. So we can multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Then we can go to answer. So here it will become 6y and it become 1200. Then it become again 6y. It become 1800. If you solve this particular equation, you are going to get a answer. So here consider minus plus minus, it become 9x, it become 8x, 9x, 8x to minus x equal to minus 600. So the value of the x will be 600. Total income of these two persons is 7x. So total income will be 7 into 600, which is 4200. The answers will be C. Okay. If you see this particular question, it is not much difficult. Only thing you have to understand income minus expenditure equal to saving. You have to know some basics about the ratio proportion. Then you are able to solve this particular question. Come to the one more question. Amit started a business by investing 30,000 rupees. Rahul joined the business after some time and invested 20,000 rupees. At the end of the year, profit was divided in the ratio 2:1. One thing you have to remember, in the ratio of two persons, in the ratio of the investment, same way the profit will be distributed. The two persons, Amit and another person, Rahul, they have invested some amount of money, like Amit have invested 30,000 and Rahul has invested 20,000. Here you have to understand Amit has invested the money for 12 months and Rahul has invested the money for 12 minus x month. Okay, this is the ratio. They have invested the money and here you have like 30,000 into 12 upon 20,000 into 12 minus x equal to 2:1. If you are solve this particular equation, you are going to get a answer. So here we have 2, 6. So here it will be like 18 equal to 24 minus 2x. So 2x equal to 6 and x equal to 3. So it is again like not much difficult question. So answers will be 3. Now come to the one more question. 4 person A, B, C, D. A has some coin. A gave half of the coin to B and 4 more. B gave half of the coin to C and 4 more. C gave half of the coin to D and 4 more. Both B and D end up with same number of coin. So we have two methods to solve this question. Either you will go with basics or you can use the option. I will suggest to solve such type of question, you will use the option. Okay, in first way, consider A has X coin. So A gave half plus 4 to B. Okay, now AX remaining for A will be X by 2 plus 4, that is the remaining coin. Now B gave C half X by 2 plus 4 and then plus 4 more. Remaining will be, if this value will consider this is the value is equal to B, or this is a value equal to Y minus Y. So this is the one way, and then you can talk about D also. So D half and then you can subtract. This is the like very complex process. Better you will consider, you can take option. Consider A has 72. So A has given to B half, that is 36 plus 4, it is 40. Now how many coins? Now A has around 32 coins. B has given to C half, means half of 40, 20 plus 4, 24. Remaining how much we has as of now, that is 16. Same way C gave to D half of 24, that is 12, and 4 more, that is 16. It means both B and D have same coin. So here we can say that answers will be C. Okay, I have taken the answers only, but you have to fulfill the conditions. These conditions are not fulfilled by A, B and D. Okay, so how you can start this particular question? You can start from the minimum, and then in second chance you are going to get answers also. Here this is the way, is a basic, but it is very lengthy process, but I will suggest to solve this particular question through options. Now come to one more question. Here, like half of the villagers of a certain village have their own house. One fifth have paddy cultivation. 1/3 are literate, and 4/5 are below 25. So how to solve such type of question? Whenever such type of questions comes, consider 1/2, 1/3, 1/5, and then we have again 1/2, 1/5, 1/3, and we have 4/5. Okay, what is the LCM of 2, 3, 5? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 5? That will be 60. Okay, so consider total people are 60. 60 of half will be 30. 30 have own house. 1/3 of 60 will be 20. 20 have paddy cultivation. Then 1/3, 1/5. 1/5 means 1/5 will be 12. 12 have paddy cultivation. 1/3 will be 20. 20 are literate. Then 4/5 will be 4/5 of the villagers are below 25. So 4/5 villagers are below 25. Okay, so 4/5 of 60. 4/5 of 60 will be around 48. 48 are below 25. Okay, now this question become very easy. If you do that way, 30 villagers have their own house, 12 have paddy cultivation, 20 are literate, 48 below 25. All the villagers who have their own house, are literate. So we know literate are 20, house, the people who have their own house, they are 30. Statement is incorrect. Some villagers under 25 are literate. Some villagers under 25 are literate. That is a possibility, because some villager, maybe there are 48 villagers who are below 25. Among them, some of them will be literate. How? Okay, here 48 people, minimum I can say that whenever we can say that some of them definitely, like whenever 48, total is 60, and then we have 20, some of them definitely they will be literate, so answers will be B. Okay, again, a quarter of villagers who have their own house cultivate paddy. A quarter of villagers will be 15 who have their own house cultivate paddy. No, paddy is cultivated by 12 people, then we can eliminate this also. Half of the villagers who cultivate paddy, half of the villagers who are literate. No, that is again incorrect. So this question is tough questions. I will suggest, first of all, make this table, and then this question become very easy. Now come to the one more question. A person has only 1 and 2 coin with her. If the total number of coin she has is 50 and the amount of money with her is 75. Two ways. One way you can say that total coin, like we can say that total coin she has is 50. So 1 rupees coin, we can say X. 2 rupees coin will be 50 minus X. Okay. Amount, like 1 rupees coin, one amount. 2 rupees coin, 50 minus X into 2 is equal to 75. If you are able to solve this equation, you are going to get an answer. Even then, while looking the options only, we can say that 1 rupees coin 25, 2 rupees coin again 25, so 25 plus 50, 75. The answers will be D. So some of the questions, they can be easily solved by looking the option. It is not necessary you have to make an equation, then only you are going to solve a question. You just see the questions and see the options. While looking the options only, you can solve it. Okay. Now come to the one more question. In a rare coin collection, there are 1 gold coin for every 3 non-gold coin. Means gold coin, non-gold coin, 1 every 3. So ratio is 1:3. Okay, 10 more gold coin are added. Then gold coin will be X, non-gold coin will be 3X. 10 more gold coin was added, okay, to the collection, and the ratio become 1:2. Okay, if you are able to solve this particular equation, you are going to get an answer. Based on the information, total number of coin in the collection now became. So now became, just subtract 10. It become 80, it become 70, it become 60, it become 40. 2 answer we can easily eliminate. 2 answer means 80 can be the answer, 70 we can eliminate, and here it is a 50. We can easily eliminate. So answers can be 80 or 40. This is a one way you can eliminate the options also, because the sum of the ratio is 4 and 4 can divide only this number, means 80, and the 40. Second way, just solve this equation. 2x plus 20 is equal to 3x and x will be 20. Okay, so total coin earlier 40, 20 into 4 80 and plus 10 it was, now it became 90. So answers will be A. So this is again not much difficult question. You have to know how to make a equation or how we can use the option to solve this particular questions also. Now come to one more question. A tank full petrol in Arun motorcycle lasts for 10 days. He started to use 25% more every day. We have discussed clearly 25% equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 25% equal to 1 by 4. We can say that he is using 4 liter per day, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10, means 4 liter per day. So how much quantity needed? 40 liter. So now 20% it has increased. If it is in 25%, it become 5 liter. So he has 40 liter, 5 liter every day. Now how much? It is 8 days. So answers will be 8. This is the one way you can solve this particular questions. Or second way, you can say that every day he is using x liter, 10 days 10x. This much quantity. Now this consumptions has increased by 25%, and this much amount 25, and this is using for y. In this way also both the equations are equal. 10x equal to 125 x into y. If you solve it, you are going to get a answers. X cancelled, 10 upon 125 equal to y. This will again 8. So by two method, by percentage method, like 1 upon 4, 4 liters per day, it has increased, plus 1 equal to 5. This is the one way you can solve this particular question. By equation also you can solve it. Come to one more question. As per agreement with a bank, a businessman had to refund a loan in some equal installment without interest. After paying 18 installment, he has found that 60% of his loan has refunded. Very easy questions, like x of 60% is equal to 18. Very simple, and then x will be 30. Such type of question we should not miss. I gave a concept when I solved percentage questions also. So answers will be C. Come to one more question. Two equal glasses of same time are respectively 1/3 and 1/4 full of milk. Okay, quantity is equal. Okay, when quantity is equal, 1/3 milk here, okay, and 1/4 milk here, 1/3 and 1/4. Do one thing here, we can take a LCM 3 and 4, that is 12. So 12 liter here, 12 liter here. 1/3 of 12 is 4 liter milk here, and 3 liter milk here. Remaining will be water, and remaining will be water. We have added all the quantity in third container. Here water become 9 or 8, 17, and milk become 7. So what is the ratio of milk? Means 7 to water 17. So answers will be A. This is the way you have to solve this particular questions. So through LCM method, by measuring the quantity, we can solve these questions very easily. Otherwise, you can take the quantity x also. If you take x, it look like more difficult. So why LCM method? These questions become more easy. If you take x, this much calculations you should do. Okay, now come to the one more question. Such type of questions already I have discussed. Like we know that savings equal to income minus expenditure. So here income is 4x and 3x. Expenditure is 3y and 2y. So we know that 4x minus 3y equal to 6,000. This is the repeated question, only they have changed the value. And then it will come 3x minus 2y equal to 6000. Just solve these two equations, you are going to get a answer. One more question, we can see that. Okay, 30 gram sugar was mixed by 180 ml. 30 gram 180 ml. 40 gram again 280 ml. And then 20 gram again 100 ml. Only thing is here you have to get a percentage, or you can see there it is 1 upon 6, that is 1 upon 7, and this is 1 upon 5. Okay, so here if you see the solution in vessel B is, okay, B. Here sugar is very less, it comes around 14.28, it will come around 20%, and it will again come around 16 something. So which is most sweeter? It is vessel, I can say that C. So the vessel, the solution in the vessel B is sweeter than C, sweeter, no, sweeter than A, no, as sweet as C, no, less sweet than C, answer will be D. So by percentage method this question become very easy. Okay, so these are the questions which UPSC has asked on ratio and the proportion, and the questions are not much difficult. If you have a basic idea of the ratio and the proportion, you are able to solve these questions, and every year at least 1 or 2 questions you will get from ratio and the proportion. And thank you for watching. In the next video I will cover some other important topic for CSAT.